Right now I am at Old Dhaka and this is the condition of road. What a road. What size of this road. It is pretty narrow. I picked up my customer a while ago. I can see the river on my Google map, and my right side there is a river after this wall. And from here customers drop off location is 4 meters away, 4 kilometers away. There is a huge traffic jam here. What a road. I don't know how much time it will take to the road free. Even though it was not my customer's drop off location, but he drop off here because of the heavy traffic jam. Any vehicles are not moving here. It is very bad thing for me. I don't know how much time it will take to out from here. Oh, again traffic. I thought road will be free, but not. Now I'm riding my bike very little speed. Oh, again traffic. Oh no. And darts are flying here. So I have turned off my helmet visor. I should turn off my bike also. Right now I am at Shakhari Bazar. It is totally a crowded area. And you can see there are a lot of people here, and I am trying to go out from this road. What a road here. Now I will go opposite side of the road. I feel like I can get any trip from there. So I am going there. Hey, go fast. Go fast. What is he doing here? Now I have to make a U-turn from here. Now I will wait there. Let's see if I get any trip from here. হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ করি। কোথায় যাবেন? বাংলা মোটর চলেন। বাংলা মোটর 170 টাকা দিন। 170। I got another trip from here. There is a huge traffic jam here. Oh, huge traffic jam. Map is showing it will need 29 minutes. But I think we need 40 to 50 minutes to go there. After completing this trip, I got 160 taka, and now I will make a U-turn. আর ভাই আসতে সমস্যা নাই।